नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JV Dr. Sunita Bhati, Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I am teaching you Advanced Java Programming, and this subject belongs to BTech 6th semester. Now, in our earlier classes, we have discussed about AWT components like button, how to create a button, how to add add action listener method to the button, and how we can create label using label class, and how can we create text fields and use action listener with them. So in our today's session, I'll discuss with you layout managers, different layout managers that are using Java. Okay, so Java layout managers. What is the use of layout manager? Actually, layout managers used to arrange components in a particular manner. Okay, you know that you you arrange various components like a button, text field, labels, radio button, check boxes on a frame window. And if you want to arrange systematically in a particular manner, you can use layout manager. Okay, layout manager is an interface that is implemented by all the classes of layout managers. Okay, so there are so many classes of layout manager that represent layout manager. So these are listed on the screen. You can see Java AWT, java.awt.border layout. Border layout is a layout manager class. Flow layout, grid layout, card layout, grid bag layout, box layout, group layout, scroll pan layout, spring layout, etc. These all are layout managers. Okay, you can use these layout managers classes for your to arrange components on frame window. Okay, so how we will create these layouts on frame window. So first we are taking Java border layout. The border layout is used to arrange the components in 5 regions: north, south, east, west, and center. These are 5 regions of a particular frame window. So you can arrange the components in north, south, east, west, and center position. Each region may contain one component only. It is the default layout of frame or window. The border layout provides 5 constants for each region, that is public static final int north, south, east, west, or center. Okay, they are constructor methods, constructors of border layout class. Constructor method, here are 2 constructor method: border layout constructor method and JBorder layout. Border layout creates a border layout but with no gap between the components. And JBorder layout में क्या होता है? Creates a border layout but with the given horizontal or vertical gaps between the components. Example of border layout class. You can see in this frame window, there are 5 regions: north, east, west, north, south, and center. These are 5 regions of border layout. Okay, border layout manager. Now in these 5 regions, we are setting button at north position, east position, center position, west position, and south position. We are setting a buttons, different buttons. Okay, so how we will create this border layout in our program? Let's see in the example. First of all, import java.awt.express semicolon. AWT package is importing here. Now Swing package is also importing in our program. Import javax dot swing dot asterisk semicolon. Swing package is also importing. Okay. Now we are creating a public class name border. We are giving the name border to our class. Okay. And starting, we are starting the body of the class using opening braces. Now we are creating a F object, frame object, reference object F. J frame is a swing class. Okay. To create a frame object. So J frame, single space, F object name, semicolon. Now we are creating a border method. This is a constructor method because this method name and class name is same. So this method is constructor method of this class. Now in this border method, we are allocating memory to our frame object. F equals to new J frame, semicolon. Now we are creating 5 buttons. That is J button. So J button is a class from swing package. Okay. So this is J button is swing component. J button is a class which is swing component. Okay. So we are creating J button B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5, allocating memory, and we are giving label name north, south, east, west and center to these buttons. Okay. Now what we are doing, F frame, we are adding these buttons to our frame window. F dot add function is calling, and we are passing B1 button, comma, its position is border layout dot north. Means border layout manager में जहाँ पे नॉर्थ पोजीशन पर इसको सेट करेंगे B1 बटन को. ओके. एंड नॉर्थ इज ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द फ्रेम, टॉप साइड ऑफ द फ्रेम. ओके. दैट इज नॉर्थ पोजीशन. बॉर्डर लेआउट डॉट नॉर्थ पोजीशन. B1 बटन को हम फ्रेम F पर ऐड कर रहे हैं और नॉर्थ पोजीशन का. नाउ वी आर एडिंग B2 at south position. Now we are adding B3 at east, and we are adding B4 at west side of frame window in border layout, and we are adding B5 button to border layout dot center position of the frame. Okay. Now we are setting size of the frame. F dot set size 300 by 300. Width and height is 300 by 300. Okay. Frame F dot sets visible true. Means we are making our frame visible to the on the screen. So we are passing here true. Now border method, constructor method is closed here by using closing braces. Now we are creating main method, public static void main, string args arguments. We are passing string args argument and starting the method body, opening braces. Now we are creating our class object, new border and semicolon, and then closing main method, and again closing the class button border class here using closing braces. Now what will happen when we will execute our program? Then main method will be executed first. So in this we are creating border class object, and as soon as its object is created, constructor method is called, and frame is generated by a frame is created by the method, and buttons are set. 5 buttons, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. 5 buttons are created, and these buttons are set to the different position over the frame window using border layout. north, south, east, west, and center position. So output will be like this. This is our frame, and there are 5 partition using border layout manager. हमने एक बॉर्डर लेआउट मैनेजर का यूज करते हुए हमारी फ्रेम विंडो के पार्टीशन कर दिए 5, और हर एक पार्टीशन में हमने एक एक कंपोनेंट को शो किया है. वो कंपोनेंट बटन है, बटन और उनके ऊपर डिफरेंट लेबल्स हमने डिफाइन कर दिए. बटन B1 को नॉर्थ पोजीशन पर सेट किया है, इसको हमने लेबल नॉर्थ दिया है. इधर बटन सेट किया है उसको वेस्ट. फिर ईस्ट पोजीशन पर जो बटन हमने सेट किया है उसको ईस्ट नेम दिया है. सेंटर पोजीशन में जो बटन सेट किया है उसको सेंटर लेबल दिया है. और बॉटम में जो हमने बटन सेट किया है उसको हमने साउथ लेबल नेम दिया है. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट बॉर्डर लेआउट मैनेजर. इस तरीके से हम एक बॉर्डर लेआउट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं फ्रेम विंडो पर. This is all about our today's class. Now, if you have any problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.